house in Toque-Toque was designed to be a simple, flexible, and easy-to-build construction and serve as a summer residence on São Paulo's coast. The plot is located on a steep slope, covered by dense tropical forests for this purpose. The house was placed transversely to the slope, projecting the house towards the sea, and placing it at the treetop's height. To deal with the irregular topography, a concrete basement connecting the lot entrance to the pool area was created. Under the basement, there is a small terrace, and above it, the house was built using a laminated timber structure. There are 7 structural portals, creating 6 modules with 3 suites, a laundry, a social bathroom, and a living room with an integrated kitchen. The roof was built using thermoacoustic industrial tiles, with generous eaves surrounding and protecting the entire construction. The plot has a panoramic view from where it is possible to see the Atlantic Ocean, the Toque-Toque Island, and the Toque-Toque Beach. Therefore, the house's social area, such as the kitchen and living room, faces the pool overlooking the sea, and the bedrooms face the beach on the opposite side. This way, the bedrooms remain more private, and all 180 degrees are used on both sides of the house.